Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's turn back to the discussion of the gold market. Here we have got the action that we have talked about for a considerable period of time already. So as we said yesterday, we are mostly interested in what is happening in this consolidation at the top of the market, because this really could become the major moment, the moment that will clarify the further action in the medium-term perspective on the gold market. And you can see after the pattern has been formed, I mean this hanging man pattern that's marked by the arrow, this market dropped lower yesterday. So again, it has returned back in the range on this long candle on the daily chart, this breakfast candle on the daily chart. The situation stands so that as deeper market will start to move inside of this range, as more positions will start to close by the speculators. Because different traders trade on the different time frames. So those who trade on intraday charts already has closed their positions on the forming of this hanging man on the non-farm payrolls release. Now time has come for those who trade on the daily charts. The market will start to break through the important FIB supports. This will start to close their positions. Later, some traders who trade on the longer perspective will also do this. And by this action, some kind of the chain reaction could happen. So, and the market could drop to the downside. Usually, from the technical perspective, when the market fails to break through the range of the long-ranged candle in some directions, in our case, this is to the upside. The market has failed to do this, return right back down inside of this range. Usually, market should drop as far as to the opposite direction. And the chances of the downward breakout here is also very significant. But you can see this is really not very close to the current price actions. Probably will take some weeks action to the downside. This market right now stands at oversold on the daily chart. And today, guys, we will get the the Fed Reserve opinion on the United States economy. Some comments probably will follow. That could bring some more clarity in the perspective of the rate hike in the United States till the end of the year. Maybe something new they will say. So this really could bring some new information, new inputs on the overall situation that could impact on the gold market as well. So, but technically, failure breakout usually leads to the opposite action right to the bottom. But this will be just the first step in our downward retracement, since we have estimated on the monthly chart of the gold that's where we really could get the huge pattern on the monthly chart that's just dropping to the 1170, 1160 area. Because here we could get, on the monthly chart, we could get reverse hand shoulders pattern, and the bottom of the right shoulder should be somewhere around 1170. But currently, guys, we are mostly interested in what's happening right here. So the sign, this market drop back inside this range, is bearish, and this approximately matched our expectation, what we have discussed. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have today, guys, in the comments, now a forum member suggests that this could be the hand shoulders pattern. This could be informed, so market could drop right to the necklines, probably could show some retracement here and form this hand shoulders pattern. Well, the shape of this pattern is a bit not perfect, especially because of the spike up. So the shoulder mostly looks like the spike here. But still, we can't exclude this. Why not? This also could happen. Maybe some kind of this reversal could happen. Also, guys, pay attention to what we have said yesterday about this high wave. As we have seen, this failure breakout here, we said market should drop low and taking out of these lows. And this really has happened. So this is some mini example of that scenario, what we have on the daily chart. Here also market has failed, and we expect this action. So just imagine that this is a 4-hour time frame chart, and you will get the picture that we've got here. So this drop down has happened. So today, guys, as market stands at oversold on the daily chart, some bounce up could happen on the gold. On the hourly chart, you could see the market has reached significant fib support. I will contract the chart. You will see this is our thrusting action. You can see market has reached the 3/8 support of this upward action. It's based on these candles, on this long candle. And also this is the 618 support from this low to this high. So this is the confidence support on the 1330 area. This market and market is also average sold. So this is really strong support, and this upward action probably is absolutely normal reaction. Also, guys, recall what we have said about this triangle yesterday. So we said if market will break it, this could become the very important sign for us. This downward retracement really has started, and this has happened. Also, take a look. Market here has completed this A, B, C top, D patterns. 100% extension also will hit. So this is, guys, really very strong support area. That's why this upward action is very normal, absolutely logical. So from the opposite direction, you consider the resistance on 1345. It's right here, first confidence resistance, and next on 1356, the 618 resistance. And also this will be the trend line. So market could form some kind of retracement either to this area or that area as just some kind of, maybe it will take some kind of the ABCD action or something of that sort. Well, that's what we could expect in today's session. Because hardly market will easily break this area immediately. Probably we could think carefully about taking a short position on the gold market, either here or maybe even here, depending on how strong retracement will be. But usually when the market forms a reversal swing, and you can see that here we've got the reversal swing to the downside, this market has taken out of these lows. Usually market shows compounding retracement. It means that we should get two-leg retracement either than just one leg. So this will be probably some kind of the A, B, C, D up. It's more common thing for retracements when it forms after a reversal swing. So that's why probably it's better to wait for some kind of the A, B, C reaction to the upside, and where it will reach the target to think about the possible taking the short position. But situation is really very fragile since the positive view on investors still exists on the gold market, and this retracement is mostly technical. That's why this downward action probably will not be very smooth. So lots of bouncing will happen on the way to the downside. So it's a bit not easy probably will be to trade it, this scenario. But currently situation looks as we just have discussed. So keep watching. Today probably this upward retracement will happen. And later we will discuss where we could take the short position.